Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real English Practice. I am Emma, and today we are going to practice English words you use every day. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want to build useful vocabulary, speak more naturally, and understand daily conversations more easily. Many learners study difficult words first, but real communication often needs simple words used in the right way. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Today we will learn common words, common phrases, and simple sentences for real life. Everyday English words are powerful because they appear again and again. Words like need, want, have, get, go, make, take, help, time, work, home, food, and feel are not fancy words, but they are extremely useful. Fancy means special or impressive, but not always necessary. If you can use common words well, you can speak about many situations. You can talk about your day, your family, your job, your feelings, your plans, and your problems. So today, we will not chase difficult vocabulary. We will master the words you truly need. Let us begin with the word need. Need means something is necessary. You can say, I need water, I need help, I need more time, I need to study, I need to rest. This word is useful at home, at work, in a shop, in a school, and in travel. If you feel confused, you can say, I need an example. If you feel tired, say, I need a break. If you are learning English, say, I need practice. Need is a small word, but it helps you express real life clearly. Now, let us practice the word want. Want means you would like something. I want tea. I want a new notebook. I want to learn English. I want to speak clearly. I want to understand more. Need and want are different. Need is necessary. Want is desire. You need water, but you may want coffee. You need rest, but you may want to watch a movie. Practice this sentence. I need to study, but I want to relax. This sentence is useful because real life often has needs and wants together. Another important word is have. Have can mean own, experience, or need to do something. I have a phone. I have a question. I have a problem. I have time. I have a busy day. I have to go. The phrase have to means must. I have to work today. I have to study tonight. I have to call my friend. This word appears everywhere. If you know have well, you can build many sentences quickly. Let us practice get. Get is a very common word with many meanings. You can get a message, you can get a job, you can get tired, you can get home, you can get better, you can get ready. Do not worry about every meaning at once. Learn common phrases. Get up means leave the bed. Get ready means prepare. Get home means arrive home. Get better means improve or feel healthier. Say, I get up at 7, I get ready for work, I get home at 6, my English is getting better. Now, let us talk about go. Go means move from one place to another, but it is also used in many daily phrases. I go to work, I go to school, I go home, I go shopping, I go for a walk. I go to bed at 10. Notice we say go home, not go to home. Say, I go home after work. Go is simple, but it helps you talk about movement, routine, and plans. Tomorrow, I am going to the market. Tonight, I am going to bed early. The word come is also important. Come means move toward the speaker or toward a place. Come here, please. Come with me. I come home at 5. My friend comes to my house. Can you come tomorrow? In conversation, people often ask, are you coming? You can answer, yes, I am coming, or sorry, I cannot come today. Come and go are partners. Go usually moves away. Come usually moves toward. Do not worry too much. Practice with simple sentences first. Now let us talk about make. Make means create or prepare. I make tea. I make breakfast. I make dinner. I make a plan. I make a mistake. I make progress. These phrases are very common. Make progress means improve. Make a mistake means do something incorrectly. Make a plan means decide what to do. You can say, I made a mistake, but I learned. I am making progress in English. This is a strong sentence for learners. Another common word is take. Take has many uses. I take a shower, I take the bus, I take a break, I take my phone, I take notes, I take a walk, I take my time. Take your time means do not rush. This phrase is very helpful. If you are nervous, tell yourself, I can take my time. If someone is speaking, you can say kindly, take your time. Take is a small word that creates many useful everyday expressions. Now, let us practice help. Help means support someone or make something easier. I need help. Can you help me? Could you help me, please? I can help you. Thank you for your help. Help is one of the most useful words for real life. If your phone is not working, say, I need help with my phone. If you do not understand, say, I need help with this sentence. Help is simple, polite, and powerful. Let us talk about time. Time is everywhere in English. What time is it? I do not have time. I need more time. I have time tomorrow. It takes time. Take your time. I spend time with my family. I waste time when I worry too much. The phrase "it takes time" is important for learning English. You can say, learning English takes time. Speaking confidently takes time. This sentence helps you stay patient. You are not slow. You are learning step by step. Now, let us talk about work. Work can be a noun or a verb. I work in an office. I work at home. I have work today. My work is difficult. This is hard work. I need to finish my work. You can also say, it works. This means something functions or is successful. My phone works now. This method works for me. This lesson works because it is simple. Work is a very common word in daily life. Now let us practice home. Home is not only a place, it can also feel warm and personal. I am at home. I go home after work. I stay home on weekends. I work from home. I feel comfortable at home. I want to go home. Home can be used without to after go. Say, I go home. I am going home. I came home late. Home is one of the first words many learners know, but it can make many useful sentences. Now let us talk about food words. Food is a daily topic. Useful words are water, tea, coffee, bread, rice, fruit, vegetables, meat, chicken, soup, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and meal. A meal is a time when you eat, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can say, I eat breakfast at 7. I had rice for lunch. I am cooking dinner. I need some water. I am hungry. I am full. These words are simple and necessary. Feel is another everyday word. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous. I feel better. I feel sick. I feel proud. I feel confused. The word feel helps you express emotions and body conditions. Feelings make your English more human. You can add because, I feel tired because I worked all day. I feel proud because I practiced English. I feel nervous because I have a meeting. Feel plus because gives clear communication. Now let us talk about good and bad. These words are basic but useful. This is good. That is bad. I had a good day. I had a bad dream. The food is good. The weather is bad. My English is getting good. A more natural sentence is, my English is getting better. Better means more good. You can say, I feel better today. This lesson is better for beginners. I want to speak better. Bad can become worse. I feel worse today. The weather is worse than yesterday. Now let us practice big and small. I have a big family. I live in a small room. This is a big problem. This is a small mistake. I made a small change. I have a big goal. Big and small are easy, but they help you describe many things. You can also use little. I need a little help. I speak a little English. I have a little time. The phrase a little is very useful for beginners. Say, I speak a little English, but I am learning. Now let us talk about new and old. I have a new phone. I bought a new notebook. I learned a new word. This is an old picture. My old job was difficult. I want to try something new. New is useful because learning is full of new things. Say, I learned one new phrase today. Old can talk about age or previous things. My old school was far from home. This old method did not work. Now I use a new method. Now let us talk about easy and hard. Easy means not difficult. Hard means difficult or firm. This lesson is easy. English is hard sometimes. Speaking is hard when I feel nervous. This word is easy to remember. This question is hard to answer. You can also say difficult. Hard and difficult often mean the same in learning. A useful sentence is, it is hard, but I can learn. Another one, it is not easy, but it is possible. These sentences build confidence. Now let us practice right and wrong. Right can mean correct, or the opposite of left. Wrong means not correct. That is right, that is wrong. I said the wrong word, you are right. I turned right. I turned left. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. In conversation, if you make a mistake, say, sorry, I said the wrong word. Let me try again. This is a very useful repair sentence. It helps you continue speaking. Now let us talk about people words. People means more than one person. A person is one human being. Useful people words are man, woman, child, friend, family, neighbor, coworker, teacher, student, customer, worker, and stranger. Stranger means someone you do not know. You can say, my teacher is kind, my friend helps me, my coworker is busy, the customer asked a question. These words help you talk about real-life situations. Now, let us practice place words. Place means location. Useful place words are home, school, work, office, shop, market, restaurant, hospital, bank, airport, bus stop, street, room, kitchen, and bathroom. You can say, I am in the kitchen. I am at the bus stop. I am going to the market. I work in an office. I need to go to the bank. Place words help you explain where you are, where you go, and where something happens. Now let us talk about thing. Thing is a general word when you do not know or do not want to name something. What is this thing? I need this thing. I have many things to do. Something means one unknown thing. I need something to eat. I want something cold. Nothing means not anything. I have nothing to say. Everything means all things. Everything is okay. These words are very useful, but use them clearly. They help you when a specific word is missing. Now let us practice the word way. Way can mean method, direction, or style. This way, please. Which way should I go? I know a better way. There are many ways to learn English. Can you say it another way? This last sentence is very useful. If you do not understand, say, can you say it another way? It means, please explain with different words. Way is simple, but it helps in learning, directions, and problem solving. Now let us talk about today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Today means this day. Tomorrow means the next day. Yesterday means the day before today. I am busy today, I will study tomorrow. I worked yesterday. Today I feel good. Tomorrow I will practice again. Yesterday I learned a new word. These 3 words help you talk about time simply. Add morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Yesterday morning, I went to work. Tonight, I will review English. Now let us practice always, usually, sometimes, and never. Always means every time. Usually means most times. Sometimes means sometimes. Never means no time. I always drink water in the morning. I usually study at night. I sometimes watch movies. I never give up. These words help you describe habits. Habits are things you do again and again. Say, I usually practice English for 10 minutes. I sometimes forget words, but I continue. Now let us talk about very, really, and a little. These words show degree. Degree means how much. I am very tired. I am really happy. I am a little nervous. This is very useful. I really like this lesson. I need a little help. I feel a little better. These small words make your sentences more exact. Instead of only saying tired, say, I am a little tired, or I am very tired. This gives more information. Now imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel studies long vocabulary lists, but he forgets many words. One day, he changes his method. Instead of learning 50 difficult words, he chooses 20 everyday words: need, want, have, get, go, make, take, help, time, work, home, food, feel, good, bad, easy, hard. Today, tomorrow, and because. He writes 3 sentences for each word. At first, the sentences are simple, but they are useful. Daniel practices need. I need help. I need more time. I need to study. Then he practices want. I want tea. I want to rest. I want to speak English. Then he practices get. I get up early. I get ready for work. My English is getting better. He notices something important. Common words are not boring when he uses them in real sentences. They become alive. They help him talk about his life. The next day, Daniel goes to work. His coworker asks, "Do you have time?" Daniel understands because he practiced have and time. He says, "I have 5 minutes." Later, his manager says, "Can you help me?" Daniel answers, "Yes, I can help." At lunch, Daniel says, "I need water." In the evening, he says, "I feel tired, but I am proud." He uses simple words many times in one day. This gives him confidence. After 1 month, Daniel knows that everyday words are the heart of English. Heart means the center or most important part. He still learns new vocabulary, but he does not ignore common words. He practices them deeply. He makes questions, answers, stories, and conversations with them. His English becomes clearer because he can use small words well. Daniel learns that fluency does not start with big words. It starts with useful words used again and again. You can practice like Daniel. Choose 10 everyday words. For each word, write 3 sentences. For example, with help, write, "I need help. Can you help me? Thank you for your help." With time, write, "I need more time. What time is it? Learning English takes time." With feel, write, "I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel proud because I practiced." This exercise is simple, but powerful. It turns vocabulary into speaking. Let us build your everyday word sentence bank. I need help. I want to learn. I have a question. I get up early. I go to work. I come home late. I make tea. I take a break. I need more time. I work every day. I stay home on weekends. I eat breakfast. I feel nervous. This is easy. That is hard. I learned something new today. I will practice tomorrow. Keep these sentences ready. Now let us practice common questions with everyday words. What do you need? I need help. What do you want? I want tea. What do you have? I have a question. Where do you go? I go to work. What do you make? I make dinner. How do you feel? I feel tired. What did you learn today? I learned a new word. What will you do tomorrow? I will practice English. These questions are simple and useful. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. What do you need today? What do you want to do tomorrow? What do you have in your bag? What time do you get up? Where do you go every day? What food do you like? How do you feel right now? What is easy for you in English? What is hard for you? What new word did you learn today? Pause when you need time. You can answer simply, I need practice. I want to improve. I feel proud. Before we finish, remember, English words you use daily are the foundation of communication. Do not ignore small words. Practice need, want, have, get, go, come, make, take, help, time, work, home, food, feel, good, bad, easy, hard, today, tomorrow, yesterday, always, usually, sometimes, never, very, really, and a little. Use them in sentences and stories. Thank you for listening to Real English Practice. I am Emma. Keep listening, repeating, and using everyday English words. Your English voice is growing, one word at a time.